Hello, I'm David Beadle. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. 30-year mortgage rates were unchanged this past week as bond market worries about a stronger economic outlook next year were offset by concerns about more potentially bad news from the banking industry. The national average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is now at 4.75% with 2 1/8 points. The 5% rate is at 5/8 of 1 point. Remember, 1 point is worth 1% of the loan amount. This means 1 point is $1,000 on a $100,000 loan and $2,000 on a $200,000 loan. When it comes to a 2-point loan, that represents 2% of the loan amount. This means 2 points is $2,000 on a $100,000 loan and $4,000 on a $200,000 loan. The 15-year fixed rate did see a mild decline in the points. The 4 1/4% rate is at 1.25 points, down a 1/4 point from the start of the week, for a savings of $250 on $100,000 of borrowing. The 4 3/8% rate was down 1/8 of a point to 3/4 of 1 point. In order for you to know when to lock your floating fixed-rate mortgage, you have to have an early warning system on changes in current rates and points before they occur throughout every business day. That's where my Rate Alert Now service becomes essential to your rate lock strategy. I'll tell you via regular email and or mobile text messaging when current rates are about to go up, and if you act quickly, you may be able to reach your local mortgage professional by phone to lock your rate before the mortgage company becomes aware of what's really going on and changes its rates. The cost of my service is less than $1 a day. During the current week, there will be a series of fresh data releases. These will include the November existing home sales report on Tuesday, the November new home sales report on Wednesday, and weekly jobless claims on Thursday. All U.S. financial markets are closed on Friday for Christmas. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. For full details on my real-time mortgage rate alert service to help you beat the system, visit RateAlertNow.com and check back here later today for my next free mortgage rate update.